Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dropping Gems coming all the way from the Caribbean. Thank you guys so very much for watching my videos. A shout out to all my subscribers and to all my viewers. For today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can research our backend keywords in order to have our book indexed on Amazon and basically sold. So we did our last video was focused around the niche of cats, composition book or composition notebook cats. Alright, so we're going to focus on a niche and we're going to try to find as much as possible backend keywords in order to have our book ranked. So let's get started. Alright, so we're on Amazon. I'm going to put in let's see what basically pops up. I'm going to be using both bolt and I'm going to be using what's it called? And Amazon basically in order to have the books pulled up. So we're going to copy this, head over to book bolt product research and see what pops up here. In the meantime, composition your book cute. This is a puppy. They have space cats, as you can see here. I'm using Jungle Scout just in case you're wondering how that I'm able to see this at a moment in time. I'm using my extension Jungle Scout. Alright, so don't get confused as to what it is I'm using and why is it showing up this way. We have another one here, Black Cat composition notebook. We have this one here, and you guys can basically see all the different kinds of book covers that we have as it relates to cats and kittens. This is a bestseller here, but obviously it's a shark. It has something to do with cats. Alright, we're going to head over to book bolt to see what has been populated here. We saw this one as well. We also saw this one. Okay, so how are we going to get our long end keywords for as you can see here, this is basically where we fill in all our keywords. All right, so we're going to be looking for 7 long-term keywords in order to fill in here for cats. Okay guys, so we're going to copy the AISN for the book and we're going to go over to Amazon AISN lookup. We're going to paste it there. We're going to press enter. What this does basically is going to show us all the information, the backend information that we can see as we look at the listing here physically. The most we can see here would usually be what's populated here. However, since I have Jungle Scouts, it basically states the ASN, the AISN, the monthly sales. It's stating what number is ranked in for books, where it's ranked for cat care, which is weird. The daily sales, the monthly sales, the date was first published, as you can see, it was published in March, and the net along with the fee that is being paid to have this composition book printed to be sold to its customers. All right, so let's head back here and see what they basically give us. All right, so this is what's being populated through the AISN research, Amazon ASM research software they have provided to you for free. And as you can see, for a keyword, the main keywords, pay attention to the design. As you can see here, it's astronaut space cats, college ruled blank journal. So the words is being, well, basically not the words, but the keywords is being ranked for. It's astronaut composition notebook, astronaut space notebook, composition notebook college ruled, primary composition notebook with picture space, and blank journal. This is one example. I had no idea this was space cats until I saw the little thing around their heads. So let's try another book that is ranking and see what comes up under that. Yes, and let's go to Amazon. Let's find a bestseller. All right, we have this one here. So you're going to copy the ESN. You're going to head back here, paste and search. And we wait just a few minutes in order for it to populate, okay? All right, so we can see here, product overview, FBA fees, the potential product, it's medium. Our previous item, it was at low. And here's our main keywords. So we have wide rule composition notebook for kids, composition notebook for kids, composition notebook wide ruled, composition notebooks wide ruled, again, shark composition notebook. The buyer keywords are over here, shark composition notebook, and notebook rule composition notebook for kids. Alright, so as you can see, that's one of our trending, our main keywords, wide rule composition notebook for kids. And yeah, now there's one other way in which you can find your keywords, and it's using a KDP extension by the name of KDP Spy. Now, yes, so we're going to click on start. But we're not looking for just the search items, basically. Oh, forgive me, I'm not sure what happened there. Let's try this again. Click on keywords. All right. And here you also have another populated set of keywords. Composition notebook cat college ruled, cat composition notebooks college ruled. I want to see if we're going to find this one in specific. Wide rule composition notebook for kids. And they don't populate here.